Okay, it's just a quick video on a troubleshooting technique that you can do. So this dispenser is having some odd Crind behavior on the A side. So we're going to change the electronic fueling point so that the A side becomes the B side becomes the A side. Then if the problem follows the electronic fueling point ID, then we know the issue is in the POS. If the problem stays with the side that is currently exhibiting the problem, then we know that it is a problem in the pump. So let's go ahead and do this. This is a Gilbarco Encore 300. So to do that, we're going to use the Gilbarco manager's card, and we are going to slide it. It's going to bring us up to our menu here. So let's go to main menu. And our one down here. We're going to go to Crind config. And we're going to go number 1 to Crind IDs. So let's go to side 1. Side 1 is currently set to 7. We're going to change that to 8. Hit enter to save the change. Okay. And then we're going to go do the same on number 2. Currently set to 8, so we're going to change it to 7. Enter to save the change. There we go. And then we are going to exit back to the main menu. All the way back. And number 2 to exit diagnostics. Now, if the problem moves to the other side, we know it's a POS issue. If the problem stays on this side, we know it's a pump issue. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you like this content. And as always, have a wonderful day.